Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
Listen, me a boy we have more than one woman. Some man, hold on. Some man pray to say them have more than one woman. Most of the man them in here tonight we have more than one woman. Put up on one. Shine the light on the crowd. Some man said that them woman, watch a man there. I try to put up a man and woman go so. How you do it? Eh? Drop them on there for the girls them. And be a girls come from St. Thomas. Whoa! On the ready for that one now. I'm the only one here. I can't take my knife. One like me right now. Just from a spoon like I still can't stop. One like me bitter. Anybody say one honestly. Yeah, take me knife. One like me right now. Just from a spoon like I still can't stop. They say they take me knife. One like me bitter. Then I touch you with me, I forget that girl. They look like a woman gonna post trial. Tomorrow I go out and new goes. Never book a one-room roller. Dorothy blues at the small waist. Me say she a flea but me mixing pot of me want her. Me have to get mixing cause she love. Marine come and say you have no dress. See I run that she dress to impress. Because she say she had take me nice. One like me right now. Just for me. That's your life. Listen me. Hold on. Hold on. Not too much time to sing. Let me take time out. Miss World, big up yourself again. You put St. Thomas back on the map. Because I come like them to get St. Thomas right here, you know. You know see what I want people? Yeah. You don't know what revenge we come to take for tonight, no? Oh! But you know what? They have to big up the girls and keep themselves dainty, respectable, and well looking good. Them, you listen to me. Them the people from Burger King and chips and they sit there. You know the good yam and banana, cassava and dumpling and this. You understand me? Yes. So when I look at the girl, them see them here? Yes. And strong? Yes. St. Thomas girl, how to do it? Drop the one here. Hold on. You see the tired body girl them? Take on yourself. Take on yourself. Some girl want bad again. Christmas day. Tired body girl them out there. Whoa. Hold on. Some girl want bad again. Oh my mind. Oh my mind. Christmas day tell them. Tired body girl them out there. Man go check them for your one reason. And every man can be base of the whole of them. So them can't come for like them evil. We know this one of them and get real. 30 means are a power evil. Jen and Brendan turn up like I'm one like them sex people. They make up their little and they close it. They want man dressed up. However, whoa! Listen me. Listen me. Me say me come to take revenge for St. Thomas people. Yeah. St. Elizabeth and St. Thomas, we're a whole family. I saw it still. And next week, me on the round there. Because guess what? You see, 2020, remember, this is the end of a decade, decade, and the starting of another. Right? So 2020, make sure say all of the garbage you left behind. Listen me. I want to know, sir. We burn bad mind people. We burn dirty heart. We done coffee-shots. You understand me? Listen tonight, why you drop the step and I step on them? Because listen me, hold on. When you have my phone ring and popcorn, people them call. I'm say, who is this? Them say no, so we keep on thinking unruly first. And from here about unruly, me hear about popcorn. I say popcorn, you know popcorn are you to respect and love elders. You know still like them little, when they were pass like them, you see me? Like we turn invisible. No! Them you take full of love and respect. So we have to give respect where it come from. We don't know the label say, yo, start it. This one on your revenge. Because I see your popcorn I do for St. Thomas and tell a lie, I don't see much politician I do not know. You see me? So we are going to jump on fire upon them when we're ready. St. Thomas! One! When we come back for revenge. Revenge! Revenge! When we come back for revenge. Revenge! Revenge! When we come back for revenge. Oh my God! Revenge! 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 If you have a war of Babylon, one, if you're, so in one, I don't know any police, the trick, but the one that is in the tear my soul, revenge! 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 Bishop Bonaparte Paga. Informer talking for us. See me permission ask me what up. Tell them popcorns look on that. Chop up them on with a spear and a hayat. Bonaparte corruption, Bonaparte Paga. This is how they want to come on. Revenge. Sure. You know what you them said time ago?
Revenge.
Eh? Yo. Listen me.
Don't play with it.
When I play with it.
Revenge.
Frisco kid, all who don't know me see me here. Yeah, know me now. You see the goalie dance? Shut that man here. Now guess what? Me never hear nothing about from Central myself. About people. Bad mind. Eh? What about bad mind? Stop this guy! Oh, my yourself! So tell me why there's no more face.
Yeah, yeah.